Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound yen, I mean, we are sitting at the 90%, and this is a key area. If this really is a wave B, it definitely could go down here, break structure, and start a several-month-long downtrend. But the whole thing is we have zero proof of that happening yet. We do not have a break of structure down. We do not have a lower high. When the trend is up on the weekly and the daily, you definitely need to realize that anything you see down could just be a pullback within the uptrend, and it could just keep on trending up no matter what your Elliott wave is potentially telling you. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, and we do have a breaker structure down, so I would expect to at least see a minimum of one, two, three waves down if it's an ABC to the uptrend, or perhaps a nice big impulsive move down if it's a real trend reversal. First push down looks like an A. I think this is potentially an A. This is maybe a B. I would expect it to go back up to maybe the 61 to the 78% for a C. Then this would be an ABC or B. Then the next move would potentially be down for either a C, which would look like that, and then continue the uptrend, or it would go down and make a wave three, which would just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and never give you that break to the upside, and never give you that signal to start looking for longs again for the continuation of the uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.